So today, join me in looking at one piece of evidence which I think will shine a light on what's underneath the pyramids of Giza from my knowledge. And that is, how did they find out what's underneath the pyramids? So I've read everything that is available from the Scotsman and the Italian who have come up with this press conference with this big announcement. They're yet to publish their paper. I think it comes out maybe early this week. So let's read it when it does come out. So the one thing that I can add to the story is my past research into synthetic aperture radar and imaging systems. They claim that they've used SAR, synthetic aperture radar, from a satellite asset to penetrate the Earth by over 2,000 feet. Well, that's not how synthetic aperture radar works. It might be a very vague byproduct. SAR is brilliant, and there is a commercial system as well as, of course, the military system, so it's possible that they did have access to it. And it lets you see through rain and cloud and fog and at night, and it will also take away tree cover to give you very, very accurate measurements of altitude. That's how it works. If you take 3 synthetic aperture radars and shine it down onto the surface of the Earth, it will penetrate weather, foliage, and work at night, of course, and give you a very accurate measurement of anything that is above the ground. For example, the military can use it to see if the oleo struts on an airplane have lowered due to there being a bomb on board the plane. So it's very, very accurate, but it doesn't really penetrate the Earth. It's bouncing off the surface of the Earth. There is kind of evidence that you can use SAR for mineral research. It's very sensitive to certain magnetic resonances from metals. The story goes that if you have something of a known atomic mass, such as a belt buckle from the US, you can find US service people on a battleground by dialing in the exact atomic mass of their belt buckle, so finding the trousers, so finding the person inside the trousers. That's what I hear. And also the story that Ayatollah Khamenei was given a very specific gravity ring, which you can look for anywhere in Iran. That's a bit of a tall order. But definitely a government agency such as the NRO can use satellite radar to measure things like car production in Korea. You can measure the specific gravity of a battery or a part of a car, and you can count how many are coming out of the factory. So economic spying by SAR. But it doesn't really penetrate the Earth.